Thank you for selecting the Pathways to Student Success workshop. This presentation is sponsored by the Peer Mentor program at Estrella Mountain Community College. The Peer Mentor program started in 2008 by students of Estrella Mountain Community College. Our mission is to help new and returning students become successful college students by helping them develop strong skills for life and college success. Peer mentors are fellow students who can help brainstorm strategies like time management or organizational strategies with you. Peer mentors are also knowledgeable about campus resources and can provide suggestions or options for you to be successful in your educational goals. Today's presentation will take us through three main areas. We will discuss choosing a major, the transfer process, which will all lead you to your final destination, which is your career. Choosing a major is not always easy for everyone. I am sure that you've already been asked several times, what's your major? A major is a subject of study that a student focuses on. There are specific requirements for any major that you might select. This means that there are specific classes that you must take and that you must achieve a C or higher in each of those classes for them to count towards your degree. Talking with one of our academic advisors will provide you with more information and a degree check sheet that you can use to follow throughout your time here at Estrella. Selecting a major is an important decision. Be sure to take into consideration what you love to do. This will lead you to your future career, and you want to be sure you've selected a major that matches what you're most passionate about. Another thing to consider is the potential growth of the career you're interested in. Are there more jobs opening up in that field, or are positions declining in that field? A good example of growth here at Estrella is we have now added new classes that will lead to a future career in energy and sustainability. There is a current and growing demand for this major. Overall, you want to be sure that the major you select will lead to the right career. If you're unsure, we've got a great resource for you to explore. We'll talk about more on the next slide. If you are unsure of your major, or you just want to double check, consider visiting the Career and Transfer Center to complete what is called a CUTR assessment. It's a free resource for all students of the Maricopa Community College system. The CUTR is made up of 3 short assessments and will take only approximately 20 minutes to complete. The CUTR matches your interests, values, and skills to a variety of different careers. It ranks each type of career against your interests, skills, and values. It will show you which careers most suit you, and the report will allow you to explore what the expected career growth is, what education level you will need, and you can also look at what the job entails and what the salary range is for that profession. You too may want to explore the CUTR assessment for yourself. In addition to the CUTR assessment, our school is staffed with a full counseling department. Counselors are available as a resource to you. Counselors can provide career counseling or personal counseling. Our counselors are trained to help you if you're experiencing any type of crisis. You can contact the counseling department to set up an appointment at 623-935-8909. Our counselors are located in Komaki Hall B. Our counseling staff also teach our CPD classes. These are college success classes. They help you develop personal and college skills. These skills can count as an elective for you when you transfer to a university. The Career and Transfer Center is located between Komaki B and the Plaza Gallery. It is easily recognized by its red awning. The CTC, is what we call it for short, is a fabulous resource for you. In addition to the CUTR assessment, the CTC offers assistance with developing stronger resumes and creating cover letters. You can even schedule a mock interview. You will be interviewed and receive feedback on how to improve your performance at your official interview. What a great tool! Job listings and internships are posted for your review. The Career and Transfer Center also maintains a calendar for you to know when university representatives are on campus. There are several workshops and events throughout the semester, so be sure to check out the CTC often. Here at Estrella, we offer associate's degrees in many areas. If your career path requires a bachelor's degree or higher, you will need to transfer to a university to accomplish your next level of education. The university you select will prepare you for your future career or your next higher level of education. Achieving higher levels of education allows you to choose different careers. For example, you could not become a nurse or a teacher without completing at least a bachelor's degree. Your income potential is generally higher when you have completed an associate's degree. Transferring to a university allows new experiences and internships for you to try. Where to transfer? There are so many universities to choose from. Here in Arizona, we do have 3 state universities, ASU, NAU, and U of A. Additionally, there are also private universities to consider, like Grand Canyon University. If you choose to attend a university in Arizona, you will not only be closer to home, but tuition is significantly less than transferring to a university out of state. On the other hand, you may want to attend a particular university out of state because of its course offerings, reputation, or location. Living in a dorm or away from home may be a change you're looking forward to. Whichever university you consider, be sure to explore what they have to offer and what it will cost. Ask questions of the university rep, and if you can, take a tour of the campus before you enroll. So as we take a look, we can see that there are several steps to the transfer process. It's important that you start early. Nothing is more frustrating than realizing you took a class that you didn't need, or that you needed just one more class to graduate, but you didn't realize it. Talk to the university transfer reps early in your EMCC career. In reality, it's up to the individual university to tell you what classes you need or that you should take. The first step is to talk with an advisor. They will help get a degree check sheet so that you know what classes you'll take. If you're planning on attending ASU, for example, they have a MAP program to lay out the classes and to lock in tuition. Consider taking the Cooter to be sure your career choice matches your interests, skills, and values. Counselors are available too. Be sure to talk with university transfer reps to gain information early. The Career and Transfer Center is a tremendous resource. Be sure to take advantage of it. You can definitely get started on your future career right here at Estrella Mountain Community College. Follow the path to achieve your goal. Once you understand the process, you can move closer and closer to your goal. Utilize the resources here at Estrella. They are free and easily accessible. Start early and stay focused. In this presentation, we reviewed how to choose a major, what are the steps to transfer so that you can select a future career. Thank you for selecting this workshop. The Peer Mentor program presents several workshops throughout the semester. Continue to check our website for dates and times. Thank you.